Kona today. So we're doing a slightly different route to Guardamar Castle today. Well, it's a fire road or something like that, but it's still steep. Tough going.
I've got to give it up. I've got to give it up. That's true. I've got to give it up. I've got to give it up. That's true. Tell my mama and tell my pa that their fine young son didn't get far. He made it to the end of a battle, sitting in an easy chair. He tried hard but his spirit broke. He tried until he nearly choked. In the end he just lost his battle, drinking alcohol. Got to give it up. Got to give it up. That's love, got to give it up. I got to give it up. That's love. Tell my brother I tried to write. I put pen to paper, but I was frightened. I couldn't seem to get the words quite right. Tell my sister I'm singing slow, and times are hard and business is low. In the end I just lost the battle, drinking. Got to give it up. I got to give it up. That's the. Got to give it up. I got to give it up. That's the.
Here we are on the road climb up to Guardamar Castle, which is up there. You can't actually see it at the moment. If I ride out here a bit and look back, I think you'll be able to see it. You can just see it now on top. That's where we're going anyway.